Sheldon here with VSL Computers, and today we're going to set up a SimpliSafe security system. What's cool about SimpliSafe is it's a wireless security system that is simple to set up and easy to use. You can also order by the pieces. Order an extra keypad or motion detectors, whatever you need to do. When you first open the box, you see a packing list that itemizes everything you've ordered. The kit even includes a yard sign so you can advertise that you are protected, as well as challenging Ethan Hunt and Company to hack in. We have our base station, the yard sign stake, some paper for the next time we need to light our grill, our keypad, motion sensor, entry sensor, and our panic button. Let's set this up. We're installing an order of the guidebook. The first thing we'll install is the base station. Simply remove the emergency battery tab and plug the power into the base. Next we'll install the keypad. The keypad will be needed to set up the rest of the devices. Simply remove the battery tab and the protective screen covering. Next we have the motion sensor. All we need to do is remove the battery tab for now. Next we have an entry sensor, used for doors or windows. When setting these up, we'll want to make sure the little markers line up. We don't want to have the markers out of alignment or the sensor will never set up properly. Again, we'll remove the battery tab. To set up the base station, plug it in and place it in a fairly centralized location. All devices, including the keypad, need to be able to communicate with the station. Remember the battery tab we pulled? This is in case we lose power. Now let's turn on the keypad, as it will be used to install everything else. You can attach the keypad to the wall using the bracket and adhesive strips. Once mounted, the keypad can slide up and out of the bracket. Removing the battery tab turns on the keypad. Here we see the keypad is starting up. First it searches for the base station. During this installation process, you will hear verbal cues from the base station. We are now prompted to press the menu key to continue with setup, where we will need to make up a 4-digit code. Once I press the menu key, I'll be prompted to create the 4-digit code. Click the right side of the screen to continue and enter the code. We begin the sensor installs by clicking the right side of the screen. When setting up a motion sensor, you can set it up on a shelf or use the tape strips to attach it to a corner or a flat portion of a wall. Pull the battery tab and press the test button located on top. Once detected by the keypad, pick a name or create your own by scrolling to the very bottom. Once a name is picked, click the right side of the screen to indicate OK and move on to the next device. The door and window entry sensors come in two pieces, one attaching to the door or window and the other to a door jamb or windowsill. This is our test button. Pull the battery tab and align the two pieces. Again, select a name from the menu and click the right side of the screen to move on. When all the sensors are activated, click Next to move on. You'll be prompted to click Next to activate the alarm. Click Done to acknowledge that setup is complete. The keypad shows that the alarm is now off. The Home button ignores motion sensors. The Away button monitors all sensors. Once you press the Away button, you have 30 seconds to leave the house. This is what the alarm sounds like.
Alarm off.